Hello and welcome. This video is an introduction to the Migration Situation Monitor feature in the Mikado ICT solution. In this video, I will guide you through the user interface and teach you how to use this feature. The Migration Situation Monitor is a data visualization framework capable of representing data as line, bar, or pie charts. It is also capable of showing geographic information by connecting to external websites through an iframe. To view the Migration Situation Monitor, first click on the feature name in the menu. In the submenu, we see Overview, Map, and Dashboards. Let's first click on the arrow next to Dashboards. In the drop-down menu, we see all available boards. A board is a page of data visualization charts grouped together under a particular theme. The boards and data we see now are only mock-up. It gives an example of how to organize data according to city and data sources. But the users can choose their own logical way of board categorization. Here, the Hamburg board contains data from the city of Hamburg. The Antwerp board contains data from the city of Antwerp. And the UNHCR board contains open data from the UN Refugee Agency. If you click on each board name, you will be presented with the data charts. The charts in a board are grouped by categories. For example, the first three charts in the UNHCR board are migration data in Spain, while the other categories contain data in other European cities and countries. To make the visualization clearer, the charts are highly interactive. If you want to present the chart in other contexts, you could download the chart by clicking on the print button by each category. The system will generate an image file of the chart for you. Now, let's click on Map in the menu. This page shows an iframe of an interactive map portal provided by LGV Hamburg. It shows the possibility for porting in external geographic information interface into the Migration Situation Monitor. Mikado uptakers in other cities and regions can create their own map portal and easily add it into the Migration Situation Monitor as an individual page like this. Finally, let's look at the overview page. The overview page shows an overview of this feature. It lists out all user-uploaded datasets in the feature and allows the user to add and delete individual datasets. First, let's try adding a new dataset. First, we have to choose the format of the file. We are going to use CSV for this example. And then let's look at the CSV file I've created. We can create a CSV file by using Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet or any compatible software. And here in this table, I'm having two columns. First is the city, and the second is the time of visits. And in each row, there's the data. So here, I'm going to choose that test file. And for the title, I'm going to name it as chart title. For the chart type, I'm going to use line as the chart type. And then we have to choose a board in which this chart will belong to. We can either choose existing ones or create new ones by just typing in the name. And for the categories, we can also name a new category for this chart. The axis and the y-axis are a little bit confusing. So I'm going to illustrate this using this example. So here, the city column would be the attribute column, and the times column would be the value column. So if we're going to use a line chart to visualize this table, then the x-axis would be the attribute column, which is the city, and the y-axis would be the value column, which is the times. Then we have to make sure we type in exactly the names of those columns in the corresponding fields. So here, x-axis should be city, and the y-axis should be times. And then the chart description would be a description of the chart. We can just type in chart description for example's sake. And when the chart is completed, we can click Save. If the upload is successful, we will be shown this window, and we click OK to navigate to the corresponding board. Now under dashboards, we have the new board, test board, and the new category, test category, and this is a chart that we have just uploaded. To delete a chart, we can just find that chart in the list. This is a new chart that I have just created, and click on the delete button. We will be warned that this process is irreversible, but we want to delete this, so we want to click on OK. And this chart is gone. If we refresh the page, and now we go back to our dashboards, we see that test category, test board is already gone. So the delete is successful. Thank you for watching this video.